Hello, welcome to my channel The Table Treats. Today I am going to show you how to make arisa pitha at home. For this I have taken rice of 1 cup, soaked it for 6 hours, then drain it from water, and after 1 hour in wet condition I am grinding the rice. This is trick number 1. Mind it, rice should not be too dry. This is the rice flour after grinding. I am taking jaggery, melting it in a heating pan. Taking water in a bowl to check for the preparation of jaggery. Is it ready for our pancake, rice flour and jaggery pancake or arisa pitha? The 56 food items offered to Lord Jagannath in the holy temple of Puri, located in Odisha, India, Mahaprasad is also widely named as the famous Chhappan Bhog. Arisa Pitha is one of them. It is very delicious and sweet. You can see after heating off some time, the jaggery will melt. Gas should be in low flame. Now I will check, is it ready for preparation of pancake? If it is melting, then it is not prepared. But if it is like this, I am showing you. This is also a trick. Mind it carefully. Jaggery is ready to cook or not. Now it is ready. Gas is always in low condition, otherwise jaggery will burn. Now I am adding rice flour, sprinkling it and stirring it continuously. Mix it properly. Phase wise sprinkle rice flour. In this time we can also add black pepper powder, cardamom powder for a fragrance or aroma for our pitha. I will stir it till halwa like. Then I will take small ball and deep fry in refined oil. You see how am I doing? For my convenience, I am doing it in my palm by putting some oil on it and doing like this disc shape to it. Otherwise, it is also made in banana leaf. You can see, and this dough is in warm condition, not cold. If it will cold, then it will be hard. So in warm condition, we will do the arisa pitha. Mind it. Otherwise, it will not work out. For checking, you can do one pancake first. Then after you can cook other. Now it is golden brown color. It is ready to serve. It is crispy from outside. You can see now it is ready. Arisa pitha is a traditional sweet pancake from Odisha, India. The crispy outer layer surrounds soft inside. It is cooked in festive season. Bye.